Hello everyone, in today's video I have brought the conditional sentence and then how to use them properly in different situations. So get ready to learn about the conditional sentence. First of all, type first if clause is in present tense and the main clause will be in future tense. Okay, and then how to use there and where to use this condition. So uses is here to talk about possibilities in the present. So if you have to talk about the possibilities in the present, then you have to use the first type of conditional sentence. An example is, if you help me, I will help you. If you help me, I will help you. Here, if you help me is a if clause and I will help you is a main clause. And then next one is, if clause is in past tense, then main clause should be would plus V1. Okay. And then uses is here where to use the type 2 in imaginary situation in the present or future. So in this situation you have to use type 2. An example is here, if you knew her, you would agree with me. If you knew her, you would agree with me. Okay, and next one is here, if clause, if there is if clause plus past perfect tense, then main clause should be would plus have plus P3. Okay, and uses is here, imagine situation in past. Imagine situation in past. An example is, if you had helped me, I would have helped you. So imagine situation in the past is here, you had helped me, I would help you in written. And first condition is here, first condition is condition possible to fulfill. Where the condition is possible to fulfill, then you have to use the first condition. Okay, and then second condition is here, the condition in theory are possible to fulfill. Okay, it's little bit hypothetical here. Okay, theory based. And next, the third condition is here, condition not possible to fulfill, too late. Okay, here is little bit difficult to fulfill that condition. So in this condition you have to use type 3, third condition. Okay, next one is here zero conditional. You might have heard the zero conditional obviously. So zero conditional, if clause B1, B5 and if main clause also should be in P1 and P5. If clause is present tense and main clause also should be in present tense. If you heat the ice, it melts. Okay, so this is the example of that, better example of this present to present situation. And similarly, next one is here, used to talk about the things that are always true. Okay, where to use present to present, zero conditional, where there is a truth always. And next one is here, mix one conditional. Here is the structure, if plus past perfect plus present conditional. Okay, past perfect plus present conditional. And where to use present result after past condition. Uses is present result of a past condition. There you have to write mixed condition 1. Alright, an example is here, if I had listed your advice, I would not be in the mess. Once again, if I had listed your advice, I would not be in the mess. Mixed 2 conditional, if plus past simple perfect conditional. Here if plus past simple and main clause will be in perfect conditional. Example, if I were a good cook, I would have invited them to dinner.